peekaboo.
Alright, so we made it to the peekaboo staging area. What's nice is you can see where everybody just kind of parks and unload their side-by-sides or whatever kind of off-road toys they have. This is a moderate trail, they're saying. It's only 8.7 miles long. There's 666, am I saying it right? 666 foot of elevation gain, ironically. But I'm using the All Trails app, which is a hiking app, to find this trail. And so far it's been doing pretty good this trip. So we're gonna stick to it. We're gonna hit the trail. I think these people are gonna follow us because they don't know where they're going.
Hopefully we don't get caught by the rain.
This is what's nice. Yeah, we might get there. It does look like it's rain, so this is what the trail looks like so far. There's a trail that I might try to get to off of this too, so we'll see when we get out there. You can just imagine like all of the rainwater just rushing through here and just pretty much clearing it out, all the sand and rocks and debris. And here's the end of it. Look at them rocks up there that are just blocking it. Unbelievable.
Oh, is it in?
Yeah. Seems like it doesn't. It just keeps going. There's just going to be a lot of cinematic shots through here because this is absolutely beautiful. And it's like the farther you hike back into it, the better it gets. We're not the only ones back here either. Like, there's a few other side-by-sides where we parked at. They're all just kind of hanging out and eating lunch and whatnot. Absolutely beautiful. Like, look at this. Look at this behind me. What do you think, babe?
It's really pretty. It's almost
it's
like
surprising, ain't it?
It's almost like Antelope Canyon, but without
all the people.
The people, and you don't have to pay.
Yeah, so there's people hiking over here. You can hear the kids playing in there. This is phenomenal.
It is really cool. Go back a little bit more.
So I think we got here just in time because hiking back here there's nobody, but hiking out here there's a bunch of people.
I guess in order to be an Instagram model, I need to look a little cuter than this. I just hate like back of the white pants were all red.
Yeah.
And that's what I didn't want. That's why I changed my shirt. I was wearing a white shirt, but then look where we're at. I think I'm cute anyway.
I think you look cute. We hit this at perfect timing.
Perfect.
Yeah. I figured it would break.
So we're at our second stop. There's a little bit of a mission to get here from the Peekaboo Canyon section. So, from what we've seen is it's a little bit of hike to get to this one, and it is sand. So I don't know how many miles it was to get here. That canyon, the Slot Canyon section that we were in, is considered the Peekaboo Canyon. I'm out of shape.
For real.
So we're kind of avoiding storms here all over the place. Don't lie, this is a hike.
see all the stores.
Yeah. This is a hike. How you feel after that hike, babe?
That was intense.
Wasn't
That was intense.
Wasn't really prepared for that, huh? I wasn't. I didn't say anything about that. Unbelievable. So there is side-by-side tours that you can take your family out on, which is really cool. It's Rome, Utah, I believe it is what it says on their buggy. So like it's just us two, and then there's like a small family up here that gets this view all to themselves, pretty much. You can't beat that.
No. No. It's awesome because it's very secluded.
Yes.
And I think that's what a lot of people like when they come on these trails, is to have something like where it's not such a tourist trap. So this is awesome.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So it's cool to see like their tour guide is also like a photographer that knows how to take really good pictures, and he's doing slow-mo videos and everything. So honestly, I feel like this is like the best family vacation you could have.
Yeah.
Like your kids are out here playing in the sand and
Oh, the rain's coming in.
Yeah, learning about rocks. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's cool. So the way this whole thing was formed was the wind picks up the sand and it pretty much acts like a sander, and it just carves the whole inside of this place out. That's why it's like smooth as can be. It's pretty much being sanded down. Guys, we just got back to the Honda. The truck wasn't bad at all. There's a super sandy hill to go up, but if you stay to the side of it, you're fine. Just be ready to get sand in your boots or something, because
Oh, you'll definitely get sand in your shoes.
it's nothing but sand. So,
But it was well worth it.
yeah.
I think we even took one stop on the hill
On the
when
hill,
it got
yeah.
steep.
When it was like, yeah.
But other than that, that was perfect. I mean, this was like a hidden gem that Trey found, and it's free. Like, it's free. That was awesome. And we didn't think that parks actually charged you for trails. We get parking, but normally trails are like, okay, you're in the park, have at it. Like, we didn't, so that was awesome. And this was all free.
These are all in that All Trails app, and the pictures don't do it justice. So,
No.
I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you all for watching.
If you haven't already, we'd love for you to subscribe, help support us. We don't get paid to do anything that we do. we just enjoy spending time together and doing this and being able to share certain things with you guys, especially the little tidbits, like stuff that we didn't know and we find out. So we'd really appreciate your guys' support. Just remember, be sweet, and we'll catch you in the next video.